background of the invention, and paragraph 4, it states, "The prevention of unplanned pregnancy in humans and other mammals is of continuing concern for both the developing and the developed world. A variety of methods and products have been proposed or developed for the prevention of pregnancy. These products include surgical sterilization, condoms, birth control pills containing progesterone or a combination of progesterone and estrogen, subdermal implants containing delayed-release forms of progesterone, intrauterine devices, spermicidal creams or gels, and intravaginal barriers such as sponges or diaphragms. Male contraceptive approaches have included the barrier methods, hormonal methods, the rhythm method, and immunological methods. More recently, researchers have begun investigating compounds which inhibit spermatogenesis by disrupting junctional complex sites between Sertoli cells and germ cells in the testes. One such compound is lonidamine, which belongs to a group of indazole carboxylic acid compounds that was found to be a potent inhibitor of spermatogenesis. However, the anti-spermatogenic effects of lonidamine at high doses were found to be irreversible and toxic. Paragraph 6 states that several analogs of lonidamine have recently been investigated as spermatogenic inhibitors. Under the brief summary of the invention section, it states that the present invention is directed to novel or unique compounds which are useful for managing fertility, such as reducing fertility in a subject for a period of time and then restoring fertility. Such a fertility management can include administering to the subject one or more doses of a compound according to Formula 1, so as to reduce fertility in the subject. Paragraph 14 states, fertility management can also include administering an effective amount of the compound to impair Sertoli cell function in a male subject. Fertility management can also include administering an effective amount of the compound to reduce ovary weight in the female subject. The compound can also be administered in a therapeutically effective amount to reduce serum progesterone in the female subject, to impair ovarian follicle function in the female subject. In order to return fertility, the method can include ceasing administration of the compound to the subject so as to return fertility in the subject. Paragraph 259 states, the patient to be treated with the compounds of the present invention can be any animal, and is preferably a mammal, such as a wild or domesticated animal, like cats or dogs, or a livestock animal, like horses, cows, pigs, sheep, or humans. Well, now, wait a minute. Why would this patent refer to a human as a mammal, or in this case, an animal? When we visit the U.S. Code of the United States Government, under Title VII, which is Agriculture, and we go to Chapter 6, Insecticides and Environmental Pesticide Control, under Chapter 2, subsection 136, we come to the Definitions section, where the government defines under paragraph D the term animal. It states here that the term animal means all vertebrate and invertebrate species, including but not limited to man, and other mammals, birds, fish, and shellfish. So the government actually defines man as an animal when talking about pest control. Under paragraph S, it states that a person, or the term person, means any individual, partnership, association, corporation, or any organized group of persons, whether incorporated or not. So, a man is not necessarily a person, according to government legal code. The government defines what a pest is. Any insect, rodent, nematode, fungus, weed, or 2. Any other form of terrestrial or aquatic plant or animal life, or virus, bacteria, or other microorganism, except viruses, bacteria, or other microorganisms on or in living man or other living animals, which the administrator declares to be a pest. A pest being an animal and an animal being a man.